Okay, so we finally figured out how to hang this pegboard on the wall. So we're gonna do that really quick. Here. Hello, I'm Larry and welcome to my channel where we do crafty things with a little bit of side quests. Today we have no time to waste. Valentine's Day is coming and I'm not even hell-bent about the holiday. I'm hell-bent about the date because Ducky is taking us to a castle with a candlelight dinner and I want the perfect outfit. This is not even a drill, it's happening. So here's what I have in mind. I did my Pinterest dive and we are not doing red for Valentine's Day. Teach their own, don't kill me. I really like the look of polka dot. It's just so romantic to me. Like all of the vintage outfits that I've seen with polka dot is just so chic, so elegant, so beautiful. And I really think that's the vibe I'm going for. On the other hand, I'm going through the logistics right now and the design is a bit basic. It's a tube dress, okay? A polka dot is supposed to just level it up naturally because you can definitely take a simple design and the fabric just elevates it so much more. So I'm not too worried about that. And on top of that, I want to make this envelope purse. Have you seen the cute little letter emoji? That's what we're doing. This is so ambitious for me, but I'm just an ambitious girl. But enough chatter, let's get to it. So the material. I'm not sure how much the yardage is, but I'm hoping that it's enough. I might want to make the top of the dress a corset style, but this is the material. It's cute, it's stretchy. Tell me that's not gorgeous. I don't know where we're gonna get the time from, but let's get into this. Alright, so let's just see how much we have of this material. So there's about 4 rolls on here, but I think we should have enough. I think we have about, I'd say 2.5 yards. Just going to divide this fabric into 3 pieces. A portion of it is gonna go for the tube dress. I might see if there's enough to use this for the lining of my little envelope purse. 53 inches in total length for the tube dress. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put my waist and bust measurements onto this rectangle. So I really don't think I need a pattern for a tube dress. I mean, you're just cinching it in where it counts. That's how I'm gonna get through this day thinking. I also need to remember to buy more pins because I don't know. I started with 50 pins and now I have like 20. Okay, so I set up the tube and I cut out just a little bit of an angle at the top. And once folded over, it should mimic each other. This is literally the curvature of my bust to waist measurements. I have a short torso, so this is how it's gonna look. And we're just going to correct this line, sew it up, and then if it fits perfectly, I'll serge the edges for a more finished look. But we're basically done with this dress. Okay, so we're done with this dress. It's a really simple project. I'm kind of surprised. I finished the hem at the bottom. It's not my best hem, but it's black thread. You're not really gonna see it, and if you're looking at it, you're looking too hard on my outfit. And the top is elastic. So very easy, very simple. I did a cute little hangover corner thing. And yeah, before we try this on though, I think it's time for us to work on this envelope purse. It's a really small project and I think it shouldn't take me that long to do. From what I've seen on my YouTube tutorial research, it should be simple. And it only takes a little bit of red material to do it, just so I don't run the risk of cutting into the red leather for the coat and I might need it. So I'm not gonna do red. I actually changed my mind. We're gonna do white for this envelope purse. I'm gonna cut out a quick rough estimate of the shape that I saw in this tutorial. So we have both layers cut, the leather and the little polka dot for the lining. I'm really torn because I don't mind it just being a simple latch over, but I really want us to do the envelope looking feature. And I think I want to try to make a little heart to go here. And we're going to turn these right sides together and sew them up at the sides. Turned it over and I can't believe this actually is this simple. I did make a little 30-minute pattern for this, so I will be linking it later. But for now, I think I'm just gonna leave this because I know I need to switch out my thread and use some white thread and stitch down the seams. We're still gonna close this up, but I want to work on something else because I have ADHD. You know what this envelope purse has shown me? I don't have any fabric weights. I don't have any fabric weights. I've been literally using the stump of my scissors as fabric weights, and I only have one of these, so it didn't make any sense. But I've just been cutting with prayers. I've read that you can actually make those, and what a coincidence. So we have this box of Sculpey. I haven't really did any crafties with clay for a few months. I think the last time we did these, we were making magnets for the fridge. Hopefully it's not dried out. Literally in perfect condition. I think we have a good amount here to make some fabric weights. I did a little scroll on Pinterest. They're cute, okay? They're just so cute. I think I want to do like donut shaped ones. I thought about just making the flat round ones and painting them gold. I think I want these to be a little bit more quirky. So yeah, let's take a quick little crafty break and roll these out. Let's use this, and we're gonna make some fabric weights right now. So once we have our ball rolled, we're gonna take it and we're going to press it down. Just flat on both sides. And take my stump, and then I'm just going to press it down straight. And we're going to pull it out. And you should be able to poke a hole right in the center. And then just like that, we have a donut. So I'm going to do 2 more of these and put them in the oven to bake for a little bit at 400. And once they're out, we'll start painting. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really good. Okay, so we got a small haul from Amazon. This is all sewing supplies because I have a serger now. On Amazon and got 3 packs of thread. I just figured to get the basic colors, but I also got this red colors. I got black and white, and hopefully this lasts at least 2 months. The serger takes a lot of thread, and this pack alone was about $14, so I don't know if that's a steal or a ripoff. You guys let me know. But I also got these clips because, as I said, I was running out of clips and I need them. Basically, majority of my pins are on this envelope purse that we have. So this is how it ended up coming out. This only took me about 2 hours to finish, so if you're in a rush, might as well.